Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Kel. We back at it again. This time we got a big ass unboxing, and this might give you a little hint, but you don't know what the other box is. So this first box, you can tell it's from Adidas. We got that red tempered tape. But before we even get into these boxes, I got something else that I need to show y'all. I got these things right here. These are the International Jordan 3s. It was a waste of money if you ask me. So if you want to buy them, shit, they're gonna be for sale for the dumb low. I'm gonna do a little close up and stuff on them and all of that as well. But you see, it got the color blocking. Look like some knockoff top 3 ones. They just threw it on the 3s. You got that glass star pattern on the inside. I thought these was wavy at first, but after getting them in hand, these shit's ugly. But it's gonna be some close ups on these. If you want to buy them, just DM me. They're a little dirty now, but shit. On to the next shoe. Well, I could just put this shit right back behind me. On to the next shoe. You've probably already seen this one on my channel. I'm just reviewing it again because that video was bad quality. But boom, you got the Cactus Jacks. They hard and all, but you know, since they rushed production on them, you got a shit ton of glue stains everywhere. These gonna be for sale as well. Size 12, dead stock, ain't never been worn. Other shoe looks exactly the same. That's about that for them first two shoes. And most of the stuff that's in this video, you'll probably find it for sale. Just DM me on my Instagram. And this is the most slept on shoe that in all of these. You can probably tell by the box, but it's these Jordan 12s. It's the Michigan joints. Got the black paper with the white paper. Then boom, you got all of that beautiful suede. It's like the PSNYs on how buttery the suede is. You got the leather embroidery for the Michigan logo. And they just killed it with this shoe. They got the leather guts on the inside and all. I say give it like 2-3 months. These shit's gonna be worth some money just because everybody sleep on them now. But that's it for the 12s. And now it is time to see what we got in this other box. Like I said, this one right here is from Adidas, and this one on the bottom is from StockX. So first up, we got the Adidas box. We're gonna go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Y'all probably know what these is just because they just came out and everything. That all cut off. My bad for the noise interruption. It's a fucking airplane going across the top. But boom, it's another 500. Dropped them on the floor, but who cares? Boom, you got that size tag. You can probably see it says utility black several times. Now we gotta open these bad boys up. Oh my goodness. These is so swift. This is the most slept on pair in my opinion. Like, it's like black but gray at the same time. I don't know. This shit's just too buttery, like extra swift. I'm gonna show y'all a slight comparison. These are the beige ones. These are the black ones. If you ask me, quality on the material, they kept that there. Yeah, they kept all the quality the same. They put some soft ass leather on here as well. I'm gonna compare it to the yellow ones. Also, down below, let me know which one you think is your favorite. Me personally, I'm going with the black or the beige. These yellow ones, you want to buy them, give me retail. I'll send them straight to you, free shipping. No hassle, none of that. But this yellow pair, I don't know, they clean on feet and all, but this yellow look like a dusty ass fucking Easter yellow, to be real. Like, they overdid it. Like, with this yellow, they just overdid it. The beige ones was the first colorway. Best one still, in my opinion. And then it's going to be the black. They honestly could be done with making 500s. I got my 2 pairs. I'm straight. And now, next up, we're going to have this last shoe from StockX for you. And down below, can you let me know if you think these are fake or not? Cause you know, StockX they've been a little iffy lately. But this is the main entree right here. We about to eat good today. Fuck my goddamn scissors. Let's see what this is. I don't think y'all ready for these. Y'all seen them a million times, but I don't think y'all ready for these. Y'all just not. Like, y'all know I'm a fanatic for them ones. This box look like it done got hit by a long run, but we got them bad boys right there. We got the Carolina Off-Whites. Now let's check these out. The box is beat up to hell. Whoever had these and sent them through, fucking hate y'all. But you know, can't be too mad. I ended up getting my pair. So start off, you got the little plastic film on your top, which is the most unique thing ever that I say they did with the Off-Whites. You got your little StockX little thing, you got the little sticker. And then first up, for the paper, you're gonna have Off-White. This says Off-White TM for Nike Air Jordan. And then it has the Beaverton, Oregon thing on there. This is the first telltale sign, like if you got a fake pair or not. It'll come with a piece of paper that ain't even got this writing on there. But let's get into the shoes. So, right here on the very first shoe, it's like this neoprene material right here. They got the smooth leather going all the way around. You can see the orange stitching. They say on the fake pairs it's a little bit more neat than what it is on here. And they got that beige looking suede. They got the open gut on the top. The sauciest part of them all, the sideways little Nike tag. And of course you got your zip tie. It says Off-White Co Nike 2018 zip tie. You got your sizing and everything on the inside. If you ask me, they looking right. I mean, it comes with the made in China thing in all the different languages right there on that side. Now I'm gonna bring you to the right shoe. Now look at that. It got the inside gutting just poking out right there. You got another one of these made in China tags. Let me know in the description down below in the comments if they're supposed to come with two of these. I was a little thrown off myself, but on the inside it says that Beaverton, Oregon, Off-White, and then you got the 85 right there on the inside of each one of the little side flaps. These shoes are just too sick, like too clean. I'm gonna do some up close shots and everything for y'all, but it come with your orange laces all wrapped up nice and neatly. I'm probably gonna throw an orange and a blue one in that bit, and then it come with the blue laces. All the laces say the same thing. It says shoelace and then some other shit on there. But thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a few more little close-ups at the very end. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces. Off-White, buy it. Go yard, buy it. Beaverton, Oregon, boy.